Hello and welcome to this video. I was a bit jealous when I saw Log Noob picking a BASI padlock that he received from Red Cat Imaging. And so I bought myself a BASI padlock, in this case it's a dimple lock, because I think every good lock zoo should have an elephant. And so I bought myself this 50mm 6-pin dimple padlock. Pretty good bitting. Has a removable core, as you can see. Works with no problems. And it has these weather protection plastic thingies here. So close it again. Of course, when I pick it, I use this C tension bar. Try to hold it with my thumb. And use this flag from spools. Okay, zoom in. Go all the way in and search for binders. And there are many of these binders, and just pick them. So, not really difficult. I think this lock has only standard pins. Just tap on every pin a little bit. No big clicks here. No feedback actually. There are some clicks. Not sure if this is a false set. I picked it before, but I never experienced a false set. Or is it a partial opening? No. Maybe it's a false set. Yeah, there are spools in here. First time I have to pick a spool. And it's against the rotation of the plug. That's hard to do. You have to release tension a bit, and it's open. Wow. Hey, let me zoom out. I thought this would be an easy video. Now it's open. Okay. Yeah, seems to have spools. Very interesting. You can remove the core, and I will do that. But I will not further disassemble the core, because first of all, this clip here is really fragile. When I first picked it, I took it apart to this extent, and then I removed the clip, and it's really fragile, and I fear when I remove it again that it breaks, and I'm not sure if I have a replacement clip of this kind. It's really a tight fit in this groove, and moreover, I don't have a follower that fits to this half moon shaped thing here on the back. And also there is this, something to point, sorry. So there's this this gap here. I probably could use a shim, but yeah, then there is still this step here, and I'm not really sure that I can get it back together, and I don't want to mess around with this. So if anyone knows what kind of pins are in this cylinder, as I said, it's a BASI padlock. with a dimple core, and on the key it says CX6. Yeah, if someone knows which kind of pins are in here, yeah, please let me know. Probably standard pins and spools. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Happy picking. And bye bye.